Hey everyone, I'm excited to dive into a steamy subject today. Quite literally. We're talking about how steam transforms your food, making it rise and tender. Ever wondered what actually happens when you steam your vegetables or dumplings? Let's get into it. So, what is steam? In simple terms, it's water that's heated past its boiling point and turned into a vapor. This vapor is powerful. Not only can it run trains, but it's also a fantastic cooking agent. When you steam food, you're not just heating it, you're infusing it with moisture. Here's how it works. As the steam rises, it surrounds your food, cooking it evenly and gently. This is perfect for delicate foods like vegetables and dumplings, which might otherwise get too soft or lose their shape with more aggressive cooking methods like boiling. Now let's talk about expansion. As the steam cooks the food, it helps fibers in the vegetables or the dough in dumplings to expand. This expansion is what makes your steamed broccoli or dumplings puff up and feel lighter. And guess what? This isn't just about texture. Steaming helps retain nutrients that could be lost in boiling water, making it not only a gentler method, but a healthier one too. But here's a cool part: flavor. Steaming is like a blank canvas. It's subtle, so it allows the natural flavors of the food to shine through. Ever noticed how vibrant and flavorful steamed veggies taste compared to boiling? That's steam working its magic, preserving the taste and the color. In conclusion, steam isn't just science, it's a culinary art. Whether you're a food lover or a science geek, there's something fascinating about watching food transform right before your eyes, thanks to the power of steam. So, next time you're in the kitchen, watch as the steam rises. You're not just making dinner, you're conducting a delicious experiment. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to share more science tidbits with you next time.